Tracey. I took the Addiction and Community Support Worker program at CDI College South Campus. Before I started college, I was a 30 years real estate paralegal working in a small office. And then I decided that I didn't need that career anymore. I needed to do something different. I decided that I wanted to help other addicts out there and trying to get on their road to recovery and their sobriety. I am working now. I got full-time with Fresh Start Recovery. It's a 50-person residential treatment center for men only. What I'm doing right now is incredibly meaningful to me. I get to talk one-on-one with the clients. They don't sleep at night. I work the midnight shift, midnight till 8 in the morning. And they can't sleep at night. So I'm there for them to talk to and share my experiences with. You can do anything that you want to do. I changed my entire life in a span of 1 year of going to programming. So I just say, be bold, take risks, just jump in with both feet into the deep end and everything will figure itself out.